Ever heard of cassava flakes? Sounds funny, right? Alright, let me help you. It is the local garri with salt or sugar dissolved in water. Do you know eba and cassava flakes are from garri but are prepared in different ways? Just like the eba and cassava flakes, we have the soluble and insoluble trioxocarbonate 4, and they are prepared in different ways. The trioxocarbonate of sodium, potassium, and ammonia are soluble in water. They are prepared in the laboratory by bubbling CO2 through a solution of corresponding alkali. So we have 2 moles of potassium hydroxide reacting with carbon dioxide. So you have your K2CO3 and water. And by decomposition of corresponding hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. So you have 2 moles of KHCO3 giving you K2CO3 plus water plus carbon dioxide. The solution, the insoluble metallic trioxocarbonate 4, can be prepared by adding a solution of sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate to a solution of the corresponding metallic salt. So you have calcium chloride reacting with sodium bicarbonate to give you calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. Today we have learned that some trioxocarbonates are soluble while some are insoluble, and they are prepared in different ways. Soluble trioxocarbonate 4 can be prepared by bubbling CO2 through a solution of the corresponding alkali. So you have 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, 2 moles of potassium hydroxide reacting with carbon dioxide to give you, so we have potassium bicarbonate giving us potassium carbonate plus water plus CO2. The insoluble metallic trioxocarbonate 4 can be prepared by adding a solution of sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate to a solution of the corresponding metallic salts. So we have calcium chloride reacting with sodium bicarbonate to give us calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. Note, when preparing the trioxocarbonate ions of the less electropositive metals like copper, use sodium carbonate. Note, when preparing trioxocarbonate of the less electropositive metals like copper, use sodium bicarbonate. I'm sure you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next one.